and I'm from Storage King, and I'm here today with Sally Flower from Home Sanctuary, and she's going to be showing us how to correctly pack a Port A Robe.
That's right, we're going to be packing a Port A Robe using some ideas I have from being a KonMari consultant. So I would recommend when you're packing a Port A Robe, because you can only fit a certain amount of hangers up the top, that you would put a few items on top of each other. So I've got 2 shirts here, so I'd tuck them in, and then I would place the whole shirt into the Port A Robe. Now, like the KonMari method, we tend to have things hanging heavy towards the left and they go up towards the right, but that doesn't matter so much with the Port A Robe. In fact, it needs to be evenly spread. So I wouldn't recommend putting all coats to one end because it's going to fall over. I'd recommend spreading out the weight evenly across the top. So with the Port A Robe, to make it easier when you're bringing things out of the house, I would recommend having a few of the hangers together and tying them up with, say, an elastic band. And the reason we do this is so that when you're bringing things out of a wardrobe, and believe me, being a KonMari consultant, I'm always pulling things out of wardrobes, you can have a few at once. So here I've got about 4, and I've got some really heavy coats, and I'm going to put them in here, and they're nice and hanging heavy down the bottom, and then I'll be packing them like that. Same thing again with these. Sliding them in, and like so. And the great thing about the Port A Robe is when you get to your destination and you haven't yet got your wardrobe set up, you can just open this bottom sleeve and use this as a wardrobe until your furniture is delivered, if that's what you're waiting for. Now for the more delicate items, say like an evening shirt like this, I would recommend wrapping it in another jacket. You can use those bags if you'd like, the plastic bags, but honestly, I think this works just as well. So much easier. Yeah. And it makes it simpler. When you get home, you've got less to unpack. Then you put that in there, tuck it nice and tight, and see how you could fit so much in here.
Perfect.
Easy to move to your next destination.